everyone! Welcome back to Easy Tips for ChatGPT. Are you tired of running into the dreaded ChatGPT Network Error on long responses? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we'll break down why this happens and how to fix it. So let's dive right in. First off, this error can be really annoying when you're in the middle of an interesting chat session. While many assume it's due to the platform's limitations, the causes could be a mix of things like connectivity issues, software updates, or even premium services. Don't worry, we've got all the details for you. So first on the list is troubleshooting. A simple refresh or retry can work wonders, but if it doesn't, try checking your internet stability. You'd be surprised how many errors are simply due to poor connectivity. If you're tech-savvy, you might want to dig deeper into error logs or even API responses. But for the rest of us, reaching out to ChatGPT customer support can be a quicker route to resolution. You have to understand that ChatGPT uses complex AI algorithms to generate responses. Sometimes, long queries can confuse it, leading to errors. So keep your questions precise and to the point. Another aspect is safety and security. Errors like these also prevent bots and spam. So while it's inconvenient, remember it's for the greater good. So there you have it, folks. Hopefully this clears up why you might be encountering the ChatG network error on long responses. For more tips and tricks on making your ChatGPT experience seamless, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell.